Welcome to the channel. We're at the Sussex car meet, me and Deegan.
Yo.
And we're looking at some cool cars.
So right now we're looking at the old Ford Mustang. It's red with a red and black interior. Check this thing out.
It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, all original parts here.
This is the 71 to 74 body style, right before the Mustang turned ugly. So this is kind of like the biggest Mustang, I would say, of all. After this generation, they substantially made the Mustang smaller and a lot less performance. So this is kind of the cream of the crop back in the day. This right here is an AMC DeLorean made famous by the movie Back to the Future. It was made and designed by John DeLorean from DMC, who had previously designed the Pontiac GTO, one of the most famous muscle cars ever known. And this was made in the 80s, and it was quite advanced for the time, but the company DMC ended up going bankrupt, so not many were produced. But it is quite a cool car. I mean, it has gull-wing doors, and it looks like it's right out of space. This right here is a Chevy Chevelle, arguably one of the most classic muscle cars. It has a lot of power, and it's one of the best looking muscle cars of the era. It's a very nice car. It's in this kind of dark maroon brownish color, which it's very nice. It's a very nice color, and it's very clean. You can look at the interior there. It's a very nice car. This right here is another classic, the AMC Pacer, made famous by Wayne's World, the movie. It's definitely an interesting car. I mean, it's definitely a very interesting design. I think it's really cool. Some hate it, some love it. It's definitely one of those cars where you either love it or hate it, but you can't argue with its uniqueness. Here's another great muscle car, the Ford Mustang Boss 351. Now this color you just can't argue. It is such a good color, and you can't argue with the fact that this looks amazing. If you look at the back, it has those black things. I don't know, I forgot what they're called. It's a very nice car, very nice. And it has a really nice hood scoop too, which is something special. Overall, this is one of the great muscle cars of the era. That's all we have for today's car show. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see more car show content. Thank you.